Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Kitchen Capers. So today I'm gonna share this delicious potato curry recipe in a unique way. So this is 2 tomatoes. Make paste of this. So here is the tomato paste. Now I'm taking 2 onions, ginger and garlic. Make paste of this. So both the pastes are ready now. Now take a pan, add mustard oil for frying the potatoes. I have peeled the raw potatoes and keep the flame on high. And stir it continuously. Now keep the lid for 2 minutes on low flame. And cook it till it turns to golden brown in color. So it's done now. So with the help of toothpick, make in all the potatoes. So by this the gravy can enter in the potato. Now take a pan, add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, cumin seeds, bay leaves, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, and this is cloves too. First we'll add tomato paste to it and cook it on the high flame till all the water gets evaporated. Now add onion, garlic and ginger paste and cook it properly till it leaves the oil. Now add turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, now this is 1 bowl of curd. Add 1 tablespoon roasted cumin powder and 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi, and this is 1 tablespoon sattu. Mix all together. So you can see our masala is ready now. Now keep the flame on low and add this curd. Now increase the flame and continuously stir it. So you can see our masala is completely ready now. Add red chili powder, cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Now add hot boiling water to it. Half tablespoon dry mango powder. Now let the gravy get boiled. So now add the fried potatoes. And half teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon fresh cream, and cook it for 2-3 minutes more. Now switch off the flame and add coriander leaves. Now cover it and leave it for 5 minutes so that the gravy can enter into the potato. So our delicious potato curry is ready now. Garnish it with coriander leaves and fresh cream. You can enjoy this curry with roti, paratha or even with rice. Thanks for watching my today's recipe. I hope you all enjoyed watching this recipe and do try this recipe. You are going to love this. So meet you all in my next upcoming recipe video. Till then, take care and bye bye.